Welcome back to DIY Video Hub, the place where we take a closer look at those too good to be true projects you see online. If it looks like free energy, free TV, or free anything, chances are it's not free at all. I'm here to test it, review it, and tell you if it's worth building or if it belongs in the recycling bin. And yes, the glue gun will probably make an appearance. Review of DIYTechTrends, No Internet Needed, Best Antenna. Today we're looking at a bold claim, no internet needed. Every house needs this, but no one does it. Sounds like the invention of the century, right? Free internet TV with just a Pepsi can? Well, let's find out if it's genius or just another hot glue special. So, here it is, the finished antenna. Sleek, shiny, and surprisingly caffeinated. Yes, it's literally made from a Pepsi can. The creator starts by cutting out the recessed base of the can, drilling a hole in it, and feeding a short piece of coax cable through. Most of the shielding is stripped away, leaving just a little bit around the inner wire. Then, of course, because no YouTube project is complete without it, the glue gun makes its grand entrance to secure everything in place. Now, here's the thing. Antennas, especially at UHF frequencies, require precise measurements to work. You can't just eyeball it and hope. After that, it's basically freestyle soldering. Copper wires are slapped onto the inner conductor at random 3-centimeter intervals, cut into a wedge shape. No calculations, no tuning, just vibes. Then the whole contraption is glued back together like a Pepsi Frankenstein. And it doesn't stop there. 2 lengths of ordinary single-core wire are randomly connected to the coax ends, and then, about 20 centimeters later, taped into more coax. If this were a real antenna, these loose wires would completely wreck the signal matching. But that detail? Never considered. Finally, the antenna is mounted into the gutted base of an LED lamp, screwed into a holder, and tilted at a random 45-degree angle, apparently the sweet spot between science and feng shui. The big reveal, the TV is switched on. We see there are no signals on broadcast TV, which makes sense because, and here's the kicker, internet TV isn't broadcast over the air. You can't pick it up with an antenna unless your Wi-Fi router is made of Pepsi and sitting in the garden. But then, magically, when the antenna is plugged in, the TV finds channels. What's actually happening here? Most likely the TV is just picking up a strong local broadcast signal. Nothing to do with this soda-powered wonder. So, in my professional opinion, as both an electronics engineer and a teacher, this antenna is practically useless for the job it claims to do. At best, it's a creative recycling project. At worst, it's another misleading video designed to farm views. Either way, if you want internet TV, you'll still need, you guessed it, the internet. But hey, at least we learned something. A Pepsi can make a terrible antenna, but a great prop for YouTube scams. If you enjoyed this teardown, hit subscribe, drop a comment with the next scam or project you want me to review, and share this video so more people don't get fooled. This is DIY Video Hub, where we separate the science from the nonsense.